every time I close a door, somebody begs to come in. Hi. Let go. Can I help you? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and some regular, more often vlogs. I'm a little out of breath because I just worked out. Real life house is a mess. We've been in the house for 2 days because it snowed for once here. I'm just gonna flip it. We actually got like a crap ton of snow. It sleeted for like hours and then it snowed on top of it. So didn't go to work for 2 days after I got back from Phoenix. And now you're probably gonna throw up from how I just held this camera. I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm going to pick up the house and I guess make dinner because it's already end of the day Friday and I have to work tomorrow and I hate waking up when it's like a hot mess in the house. So I'm just gonna bring you along for the evening and yeah, I don't have much to say today. Took Austin to go get some snowy pictures, which he wasn't thrilled about, but I hope they turned out cute because we haven't actually done cute pictures in the snow and well, I don't even know when, but yeah. Ignore this. It's just really cold in a really cheap, crappy house. Hey, what's outside? Oh. Are you grumpy and tired of me? Yes. Hey, Angel. Ew, he's too much. Like, it's just so cute outside when it snows. Our little tiny backyard, and hopefully next year by the time it snows we'll have a new house. I don't know. Haven't heard back from any builders, so maybe not. So I've done a lot of like updating and sale markdowns and stuff on my website, which I realized I've like talked to you guys about it and like done some behind the scenes stuff. Crooked. But I've never actually like shown you my online boutique. Okay, so here's the homepage. Unfortunately, most of the pictures are of me or the models in the original stuff, not like other people, which was one of my goals. So I think that'll be a good spring goal for me. And I literally still have a Christmas picture on here. Is to get more body types and, you know, diversity on my site, which is really important to me. But there's lots of fun stuff and lots of sale pieces right now. Everything that's doing really good are like business casual fun pieces that people can wear to work or wear outside of work. They kind of like double as both. So that's kind of where I'll be focusing on for spring. But yeah, if you haven't checked it out, go check out my website. I'm doing a lot of updates and things like that recently. I cannot handle how weird and cute you are. Are you weird? I think he thinks that's his name. So every time it snows, I'm always in the mood to bake, and I have blackberries right now, so I'm trying to decide if I want to make these cinnamon swirl oatmeal muffins. Like, what? Probably won't turn out good. Baked oatmeal, which now I'm looking at them and those look like plain and boring. Or blackberry oatmeal bars. Hello.